All right, my friend, this is your last bonus hack of this series. I know initially we was talking about we had 17 hacks, but I gave you a couple of bonuses. This is hack number 20. This is a bonus number 3. If you like this information, like it, share it, comment on it. Let the platforms know that you're interested in this, and also it can show my videos to other people as well. Your bonus hack number 20, is going to be disputing errors on your business credit reports. So like I mentioned before in one of the other hacks, if you have not watched them, go back and watch all of these videos in this hack series. It's really like a little mini course that a lot of people don't talk about this stuff online. So like I mentioned before, I have a lot of businesses and one of them had a virtual office. My card, I ended up cutting it off, and without remembering, I had a business just lingering on the side that had an office, and the office was not getting paid for. I was not getting phone calls. No one told me that it wasn't getting paid. 2 months went by and I realized that I had a negative remark on my business credit profile. I applied for funding with that business, not knowing that that was there. I was supposed to get $150,000. I got $4,000 because I had that negative remark on my business profile, and I did not know. No one told me anything. It's since been resolved, but you do not want to have those negative remarks on your profile. If you do, contact those people, pay it off. The tricky thing about it is that the accounts that you get on the business credit side, when you're monitoring your business credit, you'll see that if you have an account with Uline, which a lot of people know about, your business credit report will not say Uline on it. It will say packaging, or it will say hardware. It will say something like that, or furniture. So you should monitor your business credit accounts, just like I mentioned before in one of the other hacks. You should have an Excel spreadsheet that shows the name of the account, how much your limit is with it, when your payment is due. I would also check off when did you pay, if you have a balance, do you have points. I would write all of that stuff down on that Excel spreadsheet. So anytime I have any doubts, I can go back and say, oh, did I pay this? Let me go back and look at my spreadsheet. Always have that stuff organized. It might sound like it's hard. It's going to be a little bit at first, but everything is hard at first. It's going to get easier. All you have to do is settle the foundation, just like when you lay the foundation to build your business credit profile. You lay the foundation of the house. Everything else can go faster after that. But when you have that stuff on the Excel spreadsheet and you know what your payments are, when you look at your report and you see, oh, I have a negative payment, or I have late payment, and you can't tell what's the name of the company, because if you have Home Depot, Uline, Lowe's, it's all going to say packaging. It's all going to say hardware. So you're not going to know which one it is. But if you have on that spreadsheet how much your payments are, when it's due, and you look at your business credit report and you see how much is due, now you know. Now you can see that this account was negative. This must be this account because this is when I was supposed to pay it. So now that you have all of that stuff laid out, it's all organized, now you can go ahead and pay it and reach out to them and tell them, hey, this might be inaccurate. Or you know that you paid it and you marked it down in your spreadsheet, so you know that you paid it. You have the receipt. Now you need to reach out to them and say, hey, I didn't miss this payment. I have the receipt right here. I marked it down when I paid it. This is my bank statement. This is my credit card statement. This is when I paid it. You need to have that stuff down, because sometimes on the business credit side, things can get reported inaccurately, just like on the personal credit side as well. You always want to monitor that. And if you feel like it's inaccurate, just like on the personal side, you want to dispute it as well.